Hello everyone. This will be a quick video allowing me to introduce myself. My name is Dave Goldie and I live in the great Pacific Northwest where I've lived most of my life. I spent 35 years developing software for the Boeing Company in the Seattle area. A few years ago, I got a chance to retire and took it. Retirement for me does not mean traveling, sitting on a couch and sleeping. Instead, it means I get to spend more time with my passions. One of my passions is helping students build robots, which I've been doing for the past 6 years. In our local school district, we now have after-school robotics programs in 3 high schools, 4 middle schools, and 1 elementary school. I've been able to help make this happen. Another passion is building things. I've been doing woodworking since I was tall enough to reach the top of Dad's table saw. Both of these passions led me to investigate CNC router machines. As you can see, I decided to get a Maverick machine from Legacy Woodworking. Many years ago, I purchased an ornamental mill from them, so I was familiar with the company. Their Maverick machine looked good from all the web demos I saw, but I was not willing to spend that kind of money until I had seen the machine in action. So I went to Utah and attended one of Legacy's 2-day training sessions. After that, I was hooked and purchased the machine. It was delivered in September of 2017. I've completed several projects on the machine. However, at this point, most of my projects are driven by a desire to learn some feature or some process on the machine or something in the Aspire software. I'll cover some of these projects I've done in future videos. I also try to harvest part of the wood I use. One of the projects will show some curly maple I got from, quote, firewood. It turns out there was both bird's eye and curly figuring in the wood. Again, as I mentioned, I hope to put together additional videos of projects I work on. So, until the next video, be creative and make sawdust, or in this case, maybe we should say make router bit dust.